What's up guys, in this video I'm gonna show you how to download Thread and set it all up. I'm also gonna give you some tips and tricks on Thread. So let's get right into it. Come up here to the search bar and type it there, Thread. Type it in, Thread. Okay, after typing in, click on the magnifying glass right down here. So wait for it to load, and this is it right here. Is the number 2, which says Thread and Instagram app. So go ahead, click on it, then come down to install. So I'm going to give you more information about Thread. We're going to talk about some of the features. So it's done installing. So let's go ahead and click on open right here. As you can see, it has the Instagram color right there, even on the icon. So right now we're just going to wait for it to open up. Just give it a couple of minutes. And I would love to know your thoughts about Thread. Once you're done setting it up, does it look like Twitter? Do you think it's a copycat of Twitter? Please leave a comment about that. So let's go ahead and set this up. So the next thing you need to do is click on this icon that says log in with Instagram. Go ahead and click on it. Once you click on it, you see your Instagram account. I have 2 Instagram accounts, so I'm going to use the first one to sign in. So go ahead and click on that. Okay, so right here it says error, please wait. Okay, so it's working now. And that says login request sent. So right now I have to go to my Instagram account and approve the login request, just to prove that I am the owner of the Instagram account. So let's go and do that. Okay, so my Instagram account is open up. Just wait for it, then come up here to the notification, the art right here. Click on the art. Okay, once you click on the art, you see a notification from Thread. This is it right here. A device is requesting access. Log in from, okay, so this is my device right here. So I'm just going to click on it right here. Click on it. So this is it. It says approve and deny. So just make sure you go through it to make sure it's your device that you're approving. Once you're sure of that, go ahead and click on approve. Once you click on approve, you have this option appear. Click on approve request. So that's it. So just wait for it. So right now we're going to log out of Instagram, then go back to Thread. So let's go back there. Before we go, you can look down here and it says you can turn off login request in your security and settings. So let's go ahead and click on that. Let's see what the menu shows us. So right here it says on top, if your other security method aren't available, you can still log in using this option. So this is right here, login request, then backup codes. Okay, now let's go back to Thread. Okay, now we're back on Thread and you can now see the continue button is processing. So we just wait for it to finish processing. You can see it's turning around right there and it's done. So that's it. So now we are logged into Thread. So let's set up our profile. Already you can see our username from Instagram has been brought here already. That's it. The next thing we have is a bio. You can write something about yourself, or a link. If you have a link to your website, to any other social media, you can link it right here. If you don't want to do any of that, you can simply just import your profile from Instagram straight into your Thread account. So this is it. It says import from Instagram, which will make it much faster if you want to use the same information. If you don't want to use the same information, then go ahead and just type it. Now let me show you how you can add your link to your Thread account if you want to go that way. Once you click on it, you go ahead and paste in your link right into this box right here. Once you're done pasting in your link, go ahead and click on this pass mark up here on the right hand side. Click on it, and that is it. So you can see it here. But if you change your mind and you just decide to import your information, let me show you how it will look like. Click on import. You have this message. Click on OK. So it says right here, importing your Instagram details will replace any edit you have made. So go ahead and click on it, and that is it. So automatically my profile picture from Instagram, my bio information is right here from Instagram, and the link too. Notice the link I've changed. That's it. So right now we now have re-import again. So let's go down and click on continue. So come down and click on continue. Now the next step we are on is privacy. So right here you can see it says public profile, and underneath we have private profile. So it says anyone on or off thread can see, share and interact with your content. But if you don't want people to interact with it, you can go ahead and click on private profile. But I'm going with public profile. So let's click on public and click on continue down here. On to the next page, we have this says follow the same account you follow on Instagram. So these are all the people you are following on Instagram already right here. You can go ahead and follow them. If there's somebody here that you want to follow on Threads specifically, you can go ahead and type it into the search. So let's come down and click on follow all to follow all your friends on Instagram. Okay, so let's move on to the next page, and it says how Thread works. You can see it powered by Instagram, the Fediverse, that's new, and your data. So you can go ahead and read this. Now let's come down and click on join Thread. So go ahead and click that. Congratulations guys, you have successfully downloaded Thread and set it all up. Now, if you slide your hand down, you can automatically refresh the screen. Look at it. It has been refreshed. Now, let's talk about how to use Thread and some of the icons down here. One here is the home icon. The second one right here is the search. So this is where you come when you are looking for a friend or a business social media account. You come here and type it in. Let's go back. Come right here and click on Thread. So it says new thread. So you can go ahead and type in your message here. Now, if your message is long and you want to create a thread, just come here and click on add new thread. Boom, another thread, and you can add another thread right here. To remove the thread that you have added, just come over here and click on the right hand side, click on the star to remove it. That's it. Click on the other one to remove it. You can also upload pictures if you want to. Now click on this icon right here. Click on it. Upload a picture or a video to Thread. Just come over here and click on this icon. Click on it. Right here is opened up. This is my gallery. So I can go ahead and click on the picture that I want to post. So I'm going to click on this one right here. Then click on done. Then I can go ahead and post it if I want to. Just click post. And that's it. It has been posted. Now slide your hand on the screen down to refresh the page. So this is the new post. If you want to delete the message or the picture you uploaded to Thread, come up here and click on the three dots on the right hand side. Once you click it, it says who can reply, hide likes account, and we have here delete. So click on delete, then click on delete again. So it says delete this post, and that's it. It has been deleted. Now come up to the art right here. Click on it. So right here you're going to see all, replies, mentions, verified. Now come over here to profile. Click on it. So this is profile right here. You can look at your profile right here. You can click the three lines if you want more information. Follow and invite friends, notification, privacy, account, language, help, and about. You can also log out by clicking it right here. You can see we have log out here. So let's go back, click on the arrow on top, and that is it guys. But that's not going to be all because the application is new and they have so much updates coming up. So I'm going to giving you more videos on how to use those updates and giving you more information about that. So check out this video over here and can go ahead and subscribe for more videos like